will introduce Proton products for Archicad. Firstly, we will download the Proton objects using the BIM object app in Archicad. To do it, we need to click on Browse Product button. After logging in, we can search for Proton products.
We're choosing the product page. You can find here some more information about the product. You can see some images, descriptions, links to technical information, and producer's website. You can find here also classification and regions where the product is available. Now we can download files for Archicad, GSM file and LCF library.
Objects are automatically imported into the project. We can also download the files directly from BIM object website. We need to search for Proton products. After choosing the product, we are downloading a GSM file and LCF library. To use it in the project, we need to drag and drop the files into the library manager. Proton products are made as roof accessories, so you will need accessory add-on. You can download it from Graphisoft website. Now we can use it in our project. Please remember that roof accessories don't work on multiple roof planes, so you will have to split it into single planes. And now we can place a Proton object on our roof using roof accessories. We need to click on Design, Design Extras, Accessories and Roof Accessories. We're choosing the object to place. In our case, we have just one. After clicking OK, accessory will be created on our roof. Now we can edit it. In general settings, we can, for example, change the thickness or color. In the bottom part, we can see a reference drawing showing the structure. On the next page of the user interface, we can change some geometry settings like offset from the original position and slope angle. There's also a possibility to change the geometry to user polygon. It allows to change the geometry freely. In the bottom part, we can see Holes Editor. It allows us to add some holes in the geometry and edit them. The next page is connected with Appearance, 2D and 3D representation. We can change pens, fills, and line types here. The last page contains some useful links to BIM object site, producer's website, and some more information about the product. We can also place it in the project simply as an object, independently. In that case, we have exactly the same options to change the object as previously when we were using roof accessories.
Now I will show you how to use Proton membranes in Revit projects. With integrated BIM object app, we can easily browse product. We are seeking for interesting as Proton objects, choosing one and downloading it. Do not worry that it has to upgrade. It was made in elder Revit version, so it will be compatible with every version of Revit. The sheet overview includes system information, available colors, and templates of the Proton's products, which can be edited, copied, and pasted into your project. We can check and choose thickness and, what is more, overview of the components in the way the system is built. After the editing, we can simply copy and paste the system into our project. Within the properties, we can now select our basic roof and exchange it into the one we are interested in. So now, if we create a section, turn the level of details to medium or fine, and change graphic display to shaded, the different components of the solution will be displayed. These objects are now available on bimobject.com. Thank you very much for your attention.